Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start by opening Vscode and the integrated terminal so changes apply immediately. Once the terminal is visible, open the command palette with Ctrl plus Shift plus P and type Preferences. Open Settings, JSON, to edit precise values. Make sure to keep the terminal open to preview changes as you save. This step puts you directly into the config file. You'll change color tokens, font, and background values there instead of hunting through nested menus, which saves time and avoids ambiguity. Now edit the settings JSON to target terminal appearance. Under Settings, add Terminal, Integrated, Font Family and Font Size for readability, adjust Terminal, Integrated, Cursor Style if you prefer block or line. Then, in Workbench, Color Customizations, change Terminal, Background, Terminal, Foreground and Terminal Cursor. Foreground using hex codes so colors remain consistent across themes. Once done, save the file and the integrated terminal updates immediately. Make sure to test contrast with Finish by saving your settings and restarting the terminal session so all changes take effect. Click the trash icon or run the kill command and reopen a new terminal. If colors don't appear, make sure no extensions or workspace settings override your user settings and temporarily disable them. Once resolved, test with common commands to confirm visibility. If things still fail, open Developer Tools to check for JSON parse errors or console messages. Addressing those errors usually fixes stubborn theme misapplications immediately.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.